I love keeping some green plants along with the flowering plants in my garden. This is Erica palm and it gives a very greeny look to my garden. This is at the entrance and you can see how beautiful they look. They need ample space to grow. So this is one of the plants that I suggest you keeping at your entrance, and also it adds beautifully greeny look. I have multiplied the same mother plant which is there in a bigger pot into another small pot. So with time you can do it, you can multiply it when the plant matures. When you add some green plants in your garden, either as a house plant or as an indoor plant, this plant gives very attractive look. So there are many green plants which you can add to your home garden as house plants, ornamental plants. So let's see some of the plants which you can add to your home garden as beautiful greens. Before I show you the plants one by one, I would like to tell you this. These plants are all permanent, low maintenance and shade loving. So make sure to keep them in a shade or else as a house plant, indoor plant, and also you can grow them with or without fertilizer. That is very important because friends, if you are a busy person, these plants are ideal for you. So look at the other plants mentioned in the video. They are all green and also they add beauty to your garden as a beautiful house plant. So let's see the list of plants. When you go to a nursery to purchase some flowering plants, try getting down Pedilanthus too. This is one of the plants that you can grow from stems and also such a low maintenance and a permanent plant. This plant also you must have in your green plants collection because this is very easy to grow. Another beautiful green plant is the neon pothos. Out of all the varieties, I do love this beautiful neon pothos plant because of the color. This plant also adds so much of green to your home garden. Either you keep it indoors as an indoor plant or as an outdoor plant. This looks so attractive and green. If you want to add some greens to your home, try getting down some of the monstera varieties. This is Swiss cheese, which is very easy growing, and this is one of the low maintenance and permanent plant. Add this green color plant also in your house plants collection in a corner in your home garden. This will grow really very beautifully. With or without fertilizer, you can easily multiply these plants. Beautiful bird nest plant, one of the plants that is very low maintenance and permanent. This plant prefers the shade and the moisture. If you can provide those two, this plant will grow really very huge in your garden. There are many varieties. Out of that, this particular plant gives a great look with its green look and bigger leaves. So try adding some bird nest plants also in your garden as a house plant. Aloe vera, one of the medicinal plants to have in your garden because of its green look and also very easy growing. This plant is everybody's favorite and also one of the trending plants, low maintenance and permanent. Growing aloe vera in different planters is very easy. Plants doesn't need much care and also any fertilizer. So grow these beautiful useful plants for gardening. Grow them in different planters and either in shade or in bright light. These plants will sure to grow. So friends, this is another addition to your house plants collection. Don't forget to add a couple of snake plant varieties in your garden. This is ideal as an indoor plant since it is an air purifier, and also this plant adds beauty to your garden. This is in green and also there's another variety, Sansevieria. You can grow that too very easily. So add these plants in your home garden to give it a green look. This is Sansevieria, another snake plant variety which gives a green look. They are very easy to look after because you don't have to regular water them, and I have a small peperomia growing in it. Hello, I put it very recently. ZZ plant, another house plant which is very easy growing. Multiply it with single leaf cuttings or else with stems. You can divide and multiply too, because these plants grow from bulbs as well. So once you put the plants to propagate with a single leaf, you will see within a couple of days that your plant leaf will start to root. So that is how you propagate it. This is a beautiful green plant for your house plants collection. Adding syngonium in your house plants collection also gives you a great look. This plant is very easy to grow, very easy to multiply, and also very easy to look after. So this is another plant suggestion for you to have in your house plants collection to get a beautiful green look. Many plants are very easy to grow, only to provide them the shade, because these are house plants. All the plants that I have mentioned in the video are house plants and they prefer the shade. Beautiful house plant to grow and also to add green is these spider plants. There are many varieties. This is a variegated one. So add this plant also to give a green color look to your garden, either as a house plant, indoor plant, or as an outdoor plant. You can keep them indoors too. This is an air purifier. So friends, these are the plants that I suggest keeping to get a green look. So friends, today it's all about adding greens to your garden. I hope you find this video very useful and also attractive plants make you enjoy this video. So stay tuned for more upcoming gardening videos from Tamara's Garden. Thanks for watching. Friends, all the plants that you see in the video are from Tamara's Garden, and also friends, I share my personal experiences with these videos. So to know more, stay tuned with me, and also I would like to invite you to join with my membership. So don't forget that too, and when you subscribe, join as a member to my channel. Thank you.